My name is Senghwa Ri and I'll give a presentation comparing Lufthansa and Ryanair. Lufthansa is a traditional network carrier. It operates both short and long-haul flights with multiple types of air carrier. Its passenger traffic in both transatlantic and intercontinental flights is threatened by Middle Eastern airlines and low-cost carriers. Ryanair mainly focuses on short-haul flights with one aircraft, Boeing 737. Ryanair is Europe's largest carrier by passengers with market share of 15%. Lufthansa has CFROI levels that are lower than discount rates, reflecting increased competition as well as higher operating cost. Asset growth rate of 2% indicates that, adjusted for inflation, real growth has been close to none. Ryanair has CFROI levels consistently higher than discount rate, with higher CFROI in 2015 due to lower fuel cost. Normalized asset growth rates of 7.25% indicates that Ryanair creates value through expansion and higher CFROI levels. Lufthansa has low operating margin levels due to higher maintenance costs from operating multiple carriers and increasing landing fees in airports. Lufthansa faces minimal sales growth for past few years due to increasing competition. Ryanair, on the other hand, has strong operating margin levels. They were able to reduce costs from lowering airport landing fees and flight maintenance costs. Ryanair sales grow faster than industry average, and expansion into Germany will lead to further growth in sales. Both firms have higher than median fixed charge coverage ratio. However, Lufthansa's low quality of cash flow and expense recognition makes ratio dubious. Ryanair's leverage is modest, whereas Lufthansa's 73% leverage is unsustainable for a company that has a strong cyclicality in its earnings. Ryanair's higher than median credit rating shows the company can obtain lower cost of debt, thereby reducing discount rate. Lufthansa has above average possibility of default, showing that current capital structure might not be sustainable as well as discount rate might rise in the future. Lufthansa's valuation bias of 62% and widening divergence with market shows Holt is a poor indicator of future prices. Yet Holt has been quite accurate with price predictions of Ryanair with only 14% deviations, and negative 11% bias show further appreciation possibilities from the warranted price. In conclusion, Ryanair has established strong competitive position in short-haul business through lowering costs and expects to grow from expansion into other European countries. Even though Lufthansa seems undervalued compared to its warranted price, lower than discount rate CFROI levels, struggling sales growth, and lower margins could lead to further decline. Thus, Ryanair is expected to outperform Lufthansa.